Hey guys, it's Sarah with another video of Minecraft Pocket Edition. Let's get started. This is gonna be our third episode, and I was sick, but I took some medicine, so I feel better. But yeah, let's go back up on there. Remember, let's go back up there. We have 20 pieces of iron, so it's gonna wait till we melt that up, and then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. While I'm digging up, I'm gonna get me some sand because it is needed for glass on windows. um, okay, let's just pick this up. Okay, now let's. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's like my family. It's just like making too much noise. I have to find a place where they won't disturb. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get some cactuses because it's just good for some food dye and everything. Maybe just home decor. Honestly, but I think I got a very good world seed. That was actually pretty good just putting in that random one. But yeah, because like if you look over there, it's like you got the savanna biome, I think. Yeah, the savanna, and we got a desert, and then we just got the regular grasslands over there. It's really nice. I think I can find some pumpkins over here. And you know, it's really hard to come across this type of stuff because you don't find savannas that much anywhere. So yeah, that's actually really good. And yeah, and I just found out, guys, I can make it at least to 15 minutes and under. I don't think any longer than 15 minutes that I can put. So it'll take a little longer and it'll be harder to upload the video. But I think it'll be better. And let's just go to sleep for any monsters come out, and I have to go fight them and then die, and then they'll kill me, and then I have to start over. Basic process. Let's get this cow. I'm sorry, cow, but you must die to be in my belly. You too, chicken. I like you too, chicken. Chicken. Okay. Let's pick up my bed. I don't want to lose this bed. Fine. I think I need to make myself, ooh, this would actually be a good tree for a treehouse. Maybe. So where do you guys want to start? Do you guys want to start it here? I mean, I don't think, nah, not here. Not here, though. I'm sorry, but I need to go get that. And let's fish. Okay. Pigs. Okay, I need pigs. Maybe around here. This is like some nice flat land. I'm just in here talking, looking land, and then I'm killing a pig. I feel so bad for that pig. It just died today for me. So I can eat food. So sweet of that pig to do that, even though it tried to run from me. Good. Okay, see, I always have this big problem doing survival series is looking for a place to set my to just start it, right? I mean, I feel like that's one of the main problems. And I just, oh my god, really, just like lava flowing out of the middle of nowhere. But really, I think this should be our spot. This is my spot, and around here. And you know, if I'm trying to make me some obsidian, got that lava and some water right there. I think we should do it right around here. Alright, let's get started. God, I already need something to eat. Why I get so hungry so fast. Okay. How it eats though, just like that sound, that satisfying sound. Okay, where should I make my house? Gotta create some right here. Let's just like I know guys this isn't that fun to be sitting here watching me go around, but it's actually really good because now I'm picking up some seeds and everything, so now we can make us some wheat. Do you want to be my chicken? This is going to be my pet chicken, okay guys? Nobody hurts my chicken. Nobody hurts my little chicken. Come on. Here, I'll feed you. That was my only one! I gotta find some... Oh, shit. There it is. Leave me alone. That's what I thought, you stupid bitch. Okay, but fine. You're gonna be my chicken. I want you as my chicken. I'm gonna have to take down some trees. More seeds. I'm gonna make my pet chicken a house. And I'm gonna put a sign saying, no one hurts my chicken. This is my little chicken. It can be a chicken if it wants to be a chicken. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to cover. Okay. Wow, this is okay. This is some good land that I just made right here. So let's. Okay, where's my chicken? It's gonna start falling off my chicken. Oh wait, yeah, I took that off. I'm gonna build you a little house. You're my baby, and I love you so much. No, I'm gonna kill you. You have to die. Yeah, go away. You're my chicken. I'm not gonna. UFO. I'm so cool. Okay. So now we know this is gonna be our land right here. We're also gonna make a crappy little house. Now let's just set some little Oh, I didn't mean that. I meant let's just sit down some blocks, make us a little house, like right around here. I think we should make it right here. Yeah, let's start. Boop ba doop. Okay. Making a house is not the funnest thing to do, but well, at least making your first house, your very first house in your Survivor series, it is not the funnest thing to do. It's just saving. I'm just gonna save some stuff here and just go ahead and start making getting some places that we're gonna do. I'm gonna set down my stuff already. I'm gonna set down this furnace right here. I'm gonna set it down right here, and I'm gonna start. Go ahead and put some of the sand in so we can make some glass. Gotta add some some coal, obviously. And I'm gonna need I'm gonna set my bed down already. If I didn't lose it already, I probably already lost my chicken. Where's my chicken? Let's see. My chicken's gone. My chicken left me. My chicken. Oh, wait, there's my chicken. Get your booty back over here. A little chicken. Trying to run away from your mama. Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm so weird. Oh, I have this in my hands. Now let's just make a door really quick. Now it's still in my hands. Dude. Get off my crafting table. Okay, let's just make them really quick. Oh, it made an egg. God, that's... What the Stay, god dang it. It is my... Okay, my glass is done. I'm gonna make that last one. Hold on. God, you need to learn to be patient. Patient. You need to learn to be patient, okay? I'm sorry. You need to learn to be patient. God, now it's running away again. You are my... There it goes. Chickens have no hearts. They're so terrible. But I said cats do. Okay. Don't need that much more. I always, I don't even understand, but like making the smallest house can take like take up most of the. Let's go to sleep. Where's my chicken? To see, because of this chicken, we're taking all our times that been. See, never keep a chicken as a pet. Chicken. I'll find you in the morning. God. Oh God. There are the monsters. The monsters are coming. The monsters. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Stop. Oh God. We got 1 minute left. Okay. Just like 1 minute before my time is up. I gotta just go ahead and stop this video, guys. This was an interesting video. We got a house, but gotta make the roof because like this is literally all we have. Alright, so bye guys. Thanks for watching my video.